topic higher tax among Filipino worker and consumer. Good day everyone. Today I want to talk about an issue that affects every Filipino, the rising tax on workers and consumer. This topic is important because tax are taken directly from our salaries, our small purpose and even the service we use every day. And while we all understand the tax help fund government program, many Filipinos are not asking, asking are there a tax still reasonable and do we feel the benefits? For many workers, higher tax means smaller take home pay image someone earning just enough for foods, bills, and transportation when tax increase that each stay the same, the person is forced to adjust, maybe cut down on foods, delay paying bills, or sacrifice personal needs. Because even harder when price of goods also rise. The, ta- the, the two tax passed on by business for consumer this feel like a double burden, higher tax and plus higher price. Because of this, a lot of Filipinos feel that they are working hard but not fully enjoying the fruit of their labor. Some even think, why should we pay or if we don't see improvement in our daily lives? And that question is valid. Tax should not just be collected, they should be filled through good service. So what can be done? I believe the government should consider three things. First, transparency. People will not decide to pay tax if they clearly see where their money goes. The government should make spending report easier to assess and easier to understand. If, if the public sees real results, new school, better hospital, or affordable transportation, trust will grow. Second, second fair adjustment. If tax rise, there should be also big program that support low income worker and small consumer. This can be through tax rebate, discount or stranded social service like healthcare and education. When people feel supported, higher tax become more acceptable. Third, prioritize job action. If more Filipino have stable job, tax collection become very big because the burden does not fall only on the few who are employed. More industries, more local business, and more economy or communities will have economy without squeezing workers too much. At the end of the day, tax are necessary. They help both our nation, but the people also need to feel that their sacrifice are worth it. We all live a country where tax and responsibility when worker and protected and where consumer and treated fairly. Silver lining is this Filipino are strong, hardworking, and hopefully hopeful. We care deeply for our families and our future in the government and the people work together with honestly fairness and compassion. The higher tax will not be burden but a tool for progress. we can create a Philippines where every piece of collected become a piece of invested in better lives. And thank you, and may we continue to work for a better and more just society.